Hello dear students, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about recurrence formulae for Bessel's functions of order n, that is known as Gnx, and its example we will discuss later. So let us see the first. Bessel's function of the force can satisfy the following recurrence formulas that we are going to see in this video. And these formulas are very useful in establishing the various properties and relation of the functions and very important in applications. So let us see the first recurrence formula for first d by dx of x raised to n into Gnx is equal x raised to n times Jn minus 1x. But we know that Gnx is nothing but summation starting from k is equal 0 to infinite minus 1 raised to k divided by k factorial gamma of n plus k plus 1 times x by 2 raised to 2k plus n. So this is the formula for the Gnx. Now we have to multiply by x raised to n. So just we have multiplied by x raised to n on the both the side. So in that case you can realize that it will be x raised to 2k plus 2n divided by 2 raised to 2k plus n, that will be the same. Applying the derivative d by dx on the both the sides, so x raised to n times Gnx is there. Now we are taking the derivative of this function, so we will have 2k plus 2n times x raised to 2k plus 2n minus 1. Just take 2 common, and in that case we can write as the denominator, that will be the minus 1, and so we will have k plus n is there. One another result that we are going to use, that gamma n plus 1 is nothing but n times gamma n. So according to that we can have n plus k times gamma of n plus k. Also all together we are taking the x raised to n common. So what we will have, x raised to n, that will be common from here from the summation. So we will have x raised to 2k plus n minus 1. So we will have this one. Now you can see that the k plus n will be the cancel out. So what we will have, x raised to n summation k is equal 0 to infinite minus 1 raised to k, and here we can compile these two terms. So what we will have, x by 2 raised to 2k plus n minus 1, and the remaining, that is the n plus k is there, gamma n plus k is there. Now let us see that this is x raised to n, but this is nothing but our formula, and this formula is not exactly Bessel's function of order, that is the n minus 1. How we can verify that? Here you can see that this is the standard formula Gnx. So in that case x by 2 raised to 2k plus n is there, and whatever we have, the gamma n plus k plus 1 should be there. But according to here, what we will have, if I suppose to mention that here n minus 1 is there, so what we will have, this is the gamma of n minus 1 plus k, but minus 1 that already we have added, so I have to write that this is the plus 1. So according to that we can have that this order is what, that is the Jn minus 1. So this is the Bessel's polynomial of order n minus 1. So we have proved that the d by dx of x raised to n times Gnx, that is the same as x raised to n times Jn minus 1x. Now moving forward to the another property, that d by dx of x raised to minus n Gnx is equal minus times x raised to minus n Jn plus 1x. And that example you can do by yourself. You have to follow the same procedure that we have done in the result number 1. Now let us see that the result number 3, Gnx is equal x divided by 2n times Jn minus 1x plus Jn plus 1x. What do you mean by this one? Bessel's function of order n minus 1, and this means that Bessel's function of order, that is the n plus 1. But we have that the result number 1, d by dx of x raised to n Gnx is same as x raised to n times Jn minus 1x. Now what you have to do, just do the derivative with respect to x. So n times x raised to n minus 1 Gnx plus x raised to n Jn dash x is equal x raised to n Jn minus 1x. But now this can be observed that x raised to n is there, also x raised to n is there, also x raised to n is there, that means we can cancel out. So what we will have, this can be written as x raised to n minus 1 is equal x raised to n divided by x. So x raised to n will be the cancel out, so we will have n by x Gnx plus Jn dash x is equal Jn minus 1x, so result number 1. Also we have the result number 2, that d by dx of x raised to minus n Gnx is equal minus times x raised to minus n Gn plus 1x. Again applying the same logic, just do the derivative, so we will have this one. Again just x raised to minus n will be the cancel out, and in that case you will have this one. And after what you have to do, you have to do the equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So I have written that this is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1. Now you need to subtract, so in that case this will be the cancel out. So we will have minus 2 times n by x jnx is equal minus jn plus 1x plus jn minus 1x. Already we have taken that minus common, so minus minus will be the cancel out, and if I make jnx as a subject, so we will have x divided by 2n times jn minus 1x plus jn plus 1x. So this is the required result. Now let us see the next result. Jn dash x is equal 1 by 2 times jn minus 1x minus jn plus 1x. Whatever we have, that the equation number 1 and 2 of the result 3, so just mention that this is the equation number 1 of the result 3 and this is the equation number 2 and the above result. And whenever we add it, so this will be the cancel out, and we will have 2 times jn dash x is equal jn minus 1x minus jn plus 1x. And having this, you can make this one jn dash as a subject, so you will have this one, and that will be the required recurrence relation for jn dash x. Now let us see the next. Jn dash x is equal n by x times jnx minus jn plus 1x. Having this result, you can write its derivative as whatever we have done in the result number 3, and from this what I am just taking that jn dash x, that will be the subject, so in that case we will have this one. So this is the result number B. So that is our required result. Now I'm just going to use this result in the next upcoming result, that jn plus 1x is equal to n divided by x times gnx minus jn minus 1x. So whatever we have the result number 4 and 5, so this is the result number 4, that is the jn dash x is equal this one formula, and again we have the recurrence relation, that jn dash x is equal this one. So from this we can compare both these results. So we will have, this is the left hand side and whatever I have written over, that is the right hand side. Now what I am just taking, that just take this one as on the left hand side. So what we will have, 1 by 2 times jn plus 1x is equal n by x times jnx, and just take this one on the right hand side, so minus 1 by 2 jn minus 1x. Now just jn plus 1x can be written as 2n divided by x times jnx minus jn minus 1x, and that is what exactly our required result. Now let us see the very most IMP question, that so that Bessel's function of order 1 by 2 is same as square root of 2 divided by pi x sin x, and second result is Bessel's function of order, that is the minus 1 by 2. So j minus 1 by 2x can be written as square root of 2 divided by pi x cos x. But we have, this is the jnx formula, but what we are doing here, just x by 2 raised to n, that is the common, and then just use need to vary k is equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So after vary all these values of k, so what you can observe, that you can write that x raised to n divided by 2 raised to n, and gamma n plus 1, that can be common from the denominator, because we have the result that gamma n plus 2, and that can be written as n plus 1 into gamma n plus 1. Suppose you have gamma n plus 3, so in that case what you can write, that n plus 2 into gamma n plus 2, but we have that the n gamma n plus 2 can be written as n plus 1 into gamma n plus 1. So using this result, you can take from each and every terms and gamma n plus 1, that is a common. So you will have, this is the 1 first, minus 1 divided by, this is the 2 square is there, x square is there, and gamma n plus 2 can be written as like that, but this as a common, so we will have n plus 1. X raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 4 into 2 factorial is there, gamma n plus 3 can be written as this one, and we can take this one common, so we will have n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus n square. So result number 1. This is the main result that we will use later on too for while we consider this one. So putting n is equal 1 by 2. So what we will have? J 1 by 2x is equal. Just you need to put n is equal, that is the only 1 by 2. So after simplifying you will get this one. But ultimately this is the same that whatever we have written in the previous slide. So this is the result. Now just simplify. This is the square root of x divided by square root of 2, and gamma 3 by 2 is what? That is the 3 by 2 minus 1, gamma of 3 by 2 minus 1. So this is what? 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2, but we know that this is what exactly? Square root of pi. So our result becomes what? That is the 1 by 2 into square root pi. So we can use that result and we will have this one that it is written over here. But let us see the first simplification what it can be. So square root of 2, that will be the cancel out, so we will have the only one square root, and one square root will occur in the numerator. So square root of 2 into square root of x divided by square root of pi, and whatever we have written over here, that also you can verify that the 2 will be the cancel out, and 2 into 3, so we can write 2 raised to 4 is that 2 that will be the cancel out, and 1 2 raised to 2 is that, and that is 4. So we will have 2 factorial into 3 into 4 into 5, and that also you can write as a 5 factorial, and so on. But what we have done in this particular case, we have multiplied by x and divided by x. So if I multiply by x, so x minus x raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 divided by 5 factorial, and so on. So in that case you can observe that square root of x divided by x. So what we will have? 1 divided by square root of x. So we will have square root of 2 divided by pi x times, and this is what? Expansion of the sin x. So we have obtained that this is a j 1 by 2 x is equal square root of 2 divided by pi x sin x. Now we have equation number 1, whatever we have jnx, this one whatever we have derived as equation number 1. Now you need to prove that the second result. So for that you have to replace n is equal minus 1 by 2, and you will get this one. Now you need to simplify. That is the here square root of x, that can be written as the denominator, and that can be written as the numerator, that will be the square root of 2, and this can be written as that is the square root of pi. So 1 is there, 1 2 will be the cancel out, so x square divided by 2, x raised to 4 is there, so 2 will be the cancel out, only 4 is that. So what we will have? 3 times 4 and minus and so on. But whenever you see that this result is what? This is the cos x. So we have that square root of 2 divided by pi x times cos x. So this is what? Bessel's functions of order, that is the minus 1 by 2, and that is square root of 2 divided by pi x into cos x. The same argument if you supposed to prove that is a j 3 by 2, j 5 by 2, that also you can do using the same result. So in this video we have discussed about the recurrence formulae for the Bessel's function of order n, and also we have seen that there is some example related to the Bessel's function. Thank you.